Okay, we are back for part two of the what I'm packing for Italy video. If you haven't watched part one, please go do so. I don't know if I mentioned that we have like several excursions planned. We're going to be going to Pompeii and the Colosseum and all that stuff. So on those days, I want to make sure, number one, I am cool, try to stay cool as possible. And then number two, cute, right? Comfortable, cute, cool. Those are the main things. So I'll be taking this dress, but I think I won't be wearing it with sandals. I'll be wearing it with tennis shoes because we're going to be doing a lot of walking. But I like this dress. It is thrifted. It's not a name brand, but I think the material might be like cotton. Anyway, I will be wearing this probably with just, where are they? Oh, I have some blue Adidas. Let me get them. Hold on. They're kind of, I'll have to clean them up a little bit, but just some blue Adidas. I picked these because they're older. I never wear them. And I just thought that it would be, it matches and it'll just be easy for me to wear those. So I have a few more dresses like this that I'll be wearing tennis shoes with on those days where we have to do like a lot of walking. Maybe like 1 or 2 days where I think every day we'll do a lot of walking, but I need something like casual and cute. And if I want to like throw my sandals on, I can do that as well. Okay, so real quick, let me show you. So I got this travel on purse I got it from eBay actually. So it's the travel on purse, you know, like in here there's a wire. So it's anti-theft. So there's a wire inside so that you, like a pickpocketer, won't cut this off. So this is the main purse I'll be carrying every day. I think it's really, really cute. I do have some fanny packs as well that I'll be carrying, but this will probably be the main thing because it can hold some stuff, which of course we need stuff held. So this is good. This is good. Much cheaper on eBay. Like I said before, we are loving eBay right now. All right, here's another dress. This is from, oh, it's kind of short. I haven't worn this in a while. It's from Nordstrom, either Nordstrom or Nordstrom Rack, but it's kind of like a baby doll. Yeah. Another one that I can wear on the days where we're going on excursions and it's going to be hot outside and we want to be cute, but we also want to be cool. So here's another one of those. It's a size small and I don't know the material, but it's lined, which is really good. I'll probably have to wear some shorts underneath here though, because it's shorter than I thought. I haven't worn it in a while, so we'll probably be wearing some type of like bloomers or something under it. But yeah, here it is. I like the color. It's gonna go well with my travel on purse. And there's that. And I'll link this below. I'll link it because they have it on Amazon, but I'll link it below in case you need one for upcoming travels. But also go search eBay. One of 3 skirts I'll be bringing. So I got this at, I want to say Nordstrom Rack years ago. It's so old. It's really, really old. It might be almost like 10 years old, to be honest. But I'll just be wearing this along with, come on, light. This with like a tank top like I have on. This like a white tank top or this black one. And then also I'll be bringing these skirts right here. I'm not going to try these on because I tried these on, I think, in my summer dresses video. But I'll be bringing these as well. And I'll try to pop up some pictures or video from these when I tried them on. But yeah, so just, there you go, 3 outfits or whatever, 3 skirts. And then I have a black tank top, a white tank top, and also kind of like a tank white blouse that I could mix and match with these items. Okay, I wanted to show you guys my airport outfit. I got this from Free People. It was definitely on sale because, you know, I'm not going to pay full price. I think I want to say it was like $40 something. And the tag in here says $128. There's no way that I would pay $128. Where's the tag? But I got it directly off of their website. Oh, that's the, and then right here. I got it off of their website a little while ago. I wanted a matching set. And I think I showed you guys my other matching set in another video, which is also Free People. But I don't shop there a lot. I think these are like my first 2 items. I actually don't shop there at all. But I happened to be on their website and it was on sale. So I was like, I have to get it. So anyway, I wanted a matching set specifically for the airport. I got this in a size medium. When I read the reviews, a lot of people were saying that, oh, it ran small or it ran large or I don't know, true to size. I know that Free People runs big, but the reviews were saying it ran small, so I got it in a medium. That's what it was. So this top, though, is from Old Navy, and it's very old. It's just like a tank. And I think the color goes well with it. Plus, like if I get hot on the plane, I could just take my sweater off and have this on. But I'll probably be cold on the plane, so I wanted something comfortable. It is like, it's cotton. Oh shoot, it's caught on my bra. It's cotton, but it's really thick. So it almost feels like a blanket. And so I think it'll be good for the airport. And for the plane ride. And then of course, when I get there, it'll probably be warm and I can just take the sweater off. If I need to wrap it around my waist, I definitely can do that as well. Just so I can get to the hotel. All right, thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching once again. I plan on, let me close this so we can see. I plan on shooting a bunch of content in Italy, so please watch out for that. I'll probably make a vlog. I'll probably be doing some YouTube shorts and TikToks and all that stuff, so make sure you follow me there. That's always the goal, for me to do a bunch of content, but it never ends up that way, but it has to end up that way this time, because this is a once in a lifetime opportunity. I don't know if I'll be back in Europe, so let me just take advantage now. I don't know if I'll be back in Italy. Europe for sure, but I don't know Italy, because you just never know. So I'm going to take advantage of it. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting, and I will see you in the next video.